Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video to show you how to use the multi-lift personal transfer lift system to get a person in a Class A motorhome, bedroom and bathroom area, from the wheelchair to the bed, to the toilet, and to the shower. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a personal transfer lift system designed around the unique concept of one lift to cause all of your personal transfer. It's a safe multi-lift show you basically how do we get into the bed. So once we get over the bed area here, we swing around. We can raise a little bit more if it's more convenient for us. Lower. And we're in the bed. Let's bring the camera over here. We can actually show you a little bit of the mounting system. Now, this is a custom mounting system. Access Unlimited has a network of installers around the country, so you can get a different type of mounting system depending on what you need. There'll be many systems, so don't think that yours is going to look like this. This one is attached into the ceiling up above, and the floor down below, very solid. And of course, each of them is put in by our installers, so of course they're going to be safe and built custom to your vehicle. So once we're here, now we're going to want to come back around, and let's say we want to go to the toilet. We raise, come right around here, and at this point we're simply going to do a turn in this direction, come over to the toilet here, lower, next we'll move the wheelchair out of the way. Once we're done on the toilet, and we're going to head into the shower. Get Velcro here so you can position the hold dependent where you need to. And we're going to come right around the corner here, right onto the shower bench. A convenient spot, down, and shower. Once we're all the way down, we release, and we're ready to go. The multi-lift itself, of course, can be released from the unit. You do not want to operate the multi-lift. You've got safety pins right here. These would normally be put in place during safe operation. Release. So all that's left during normal times is just this right here, and these are available in multiple colors. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should have mobility in the way you want, in the vehicle that you want, and that's what we put our design and expertise efforts to achieve. We hope you like what you've seen. If you'd like to learn more about our company and our philosophy, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at accessun, Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel has over 3,500 different videos showing you lots of exciting options for mobility at youtube.com/accessun. You can contact us via our website at www.accessunlimited.com. Daytimes, Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. is country code 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem until late. Country code 1-615 873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and have a great day.